Hey mathematicians, it's Sarah at Geeky Teachy. I'm here today to show you a strategy for elapsed time called the T-chart. I have a word problem here, so I know what I'm looking for when I solve my problem. Christy arrived at school at 7:45. Her mom signed her out of school at 1:28 for a dentist appointment. How long was Christy in school that day? So when I set up a T-chart, it looks just like what it sounds. It's the letter T. On the left-hand side, I write the time, and on the right side, I write the hours and minutes. So I'm going to start with 7:45, and I mark that down as my starting time. I want to see how close I can get to 1:28 by adding hours and minutes. I know I can add 1 hour, and that will put me at 8:45. Notice how I'm marking my time in one line in the amount of hours or minutes that I added in the same line. I'm going to add another hour to put me at 9:45 and continue until I can't add any more hours. Now, if I add another hour, that will put me at 1:45, and that's past my end time. So now I'm going to add in smaller chunks of number of minutes. I know from 12:45 to 1, that's 15 minutes. And from 1 to 1:20, I'm adding another 20 minutes. Now from 1:20, if I add 8 more minutes, I'll end at 1:28, which is the time Christy's mom signed her out. Now I've reached my end time over here, so I'm going to total how many hours and minutes it took to get from the start to the end. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. And I'm going to add 15 plus 20 plus 8. I'm going to turn my paper to be sure and use my place values. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 2, 1 is 2, plus 2 gives me 4. So that's 43 minutes. Christy was at school for 5 hours and 43 minutes.